Chosen one, today I'm here to give you some few tips on how you can bloom. Remember, you're in a timeline where they tried to bury you, but you didn't know that you were a seed. And I said it's your blooming season. So I'm here today to help you a little bit on how you can start opening the door to your fullest potential. Ye gift uyiphiweyo yakho, ye healing. Whatever healing you have in these hands, whether it's to do its dreadlocks perfectly, it doesn't matter. Guys, number one, I want to say to you, you need to be a person that is ready to heal yourself. You need to be ready to heal yourself. How do you heal yourself? You go and revisit your childhood memories. You go deep to your inner child, because most of us can't get to the fullest potential of who we are because of how we were raised. Most of the time, people that try to bury you start from the parents. The rejection we get from parents. Kids abangakhuliswanga ngabazali babo. Even sekhona ke ngokumzali, in my case, abe absent ngokwekhona. Esaschool landa kwenza yona ide iyokuqinisa to i-mother wounds. Urejectwe ngutatakho. In my case, urejectwe ifamily. Isendim nalo. And I know I'm not alone, because most chosen ones, ifamily sinengxaki nayo. So for you to get to your highest potential, ungoyiki, ungazoyikiseli. Ungoyiki xa kufuneka wenze lo msebenzi uthunywe apha emhlabeni. You need to go back and revisit your childhood memories. Have a journal, mntanasekhaya. Have a journal. Uba una journal, khawusifunele noba incwadi enjeni, it doesn't matter. A book that you incwadi ozawubhala kuyo yonke into oye uyikhumbule eye yenzeka kuwe, because yiyo le ikubambileyo, ubanjwe yiyo. We blanket ipain yobuntwana ngezi decisions esizithatha sibadala, sebena bethu abantwana, sitshate or siphangele kahle sithintini, sicinga fana ba lanto ihambile ebomini bethu, but apha endleleni nje obukhona nje uyazoyikisela mani xa usendaweni. So ufuna ipromotion emsebenzini uyanqunga, because you were not taught ukuthi important and it's your birthright into eziphezulu. So for you to get to your highest potential, funeka ube ngumuntu ozawukwazi ukuhlala phansi with yourself and talk to your inner child. There's a trend that was here that says, I met my younger self for coffee. Ibike yaduma apha ku-TikTok. La trend leyana, it's very, very important that you sit down with yourself. Hlale phansi nesiqu sakho. Ujongane nala 12-year-old naya 14-year-old. I look at my 14-year-old self, the humiliation that started then. Ndathetha nayo, ndamxelela uba sekho apho ngoku. Ndilapha ngoku and ndifuna uba lapha ngoku. Once you do that, bethuna, uhlale phansi. Yakhumbula sikhule kanjani, abazali basikhulise kakubi kanjani. Uthi so ungumntana uqala ufikisa, uqala uba namabele, ubethwe amabele kuthiwa mawabuyele emva. Xa umenstruate wenziwe ingathi ngumntana ophaphayo. That's the reason umenstruate, but ufike kwi-stage sekuthiwa uthanda amakhwenkwe, that's why so yayibona nto le. Those were like things that made us sibe ngaba bantu singabo today. And ezazinto ndifuna ukukhumbuza zenzekile kuwe so that uzihile, uzi-alchemize la pain, for uba kusasa ukwazi ukuphilisa abantu ngayo the same way that I'm doing. Kusasa la pain is gonna be your medicine to the world. People are gonna pay you ngala pain wawunayo. So you need to go back there so that you bloom, Bethune. They tried to bury you, but did you know you're a seed? Now le seed ke ngoku kufuneka iblumile. And who's gonna make this seed bloom? Nguwe. Go within. Lixesha lakhona ngoku. We are in the timeline of okwenzekileyo makwenzeke okudaliweyo makwenzeke. We are impenetrable. Bayaphosela sibajongile. Mara we are laughing alone because there's warning missiles. But we know ukuthi we are protected. You are safe now, Dasekai. It is safe now ukuthi uphume ube yilento funeka ube yiyo. Abantu bathi noba uyahamba endleleni baqonda ba yeah uphiwe lo muntu. And sonke siphiwe in our own ways. Ungalinga usidelela isiphiwo sakho. Anikhala noba siyintoni na. Ungakulinga usidelele mntana sekhaya. Today I'm here to say to you, go revisit those childhood memories. As a childhood memories zikwenze wacinga fana ba awukho valuable, awukho enough, awunayo birthright yoba bigger in this world. 12:12 on the timer. Bethuni maseni phambili, masikhuleni, grow with me. Peace out, family. Love and light.